The 2026 Tiffin Motorhomes lineup showcases the pinnacle of American luxury motorhome craftsmanship, blending comfort, elegance, and performance in a way that defines the modern RV experience. From the moment you step outside and approach one of these massive and beautifully designed motorhomes, the sense of grandeur becomes immediately apparent. The bold front fascia, complete with intricately designed LED headlights, gleaming chrome accents, and a commanding grille, gives the Tiffin an imposing road presence. Each body line is carefully sculpted to reduce drag while adding visual sophistication. The paintwork is an artwork of multi-layer full-body paint with protective clear coat finishes, designed not only to shine under the sun but also to last for years against harsh weather conditions. Polished aluminum wheels, large panoramic windshields, and slide-outs that seamlessly blend into the body make the vehicle look more like a luxury hotel on wheels than a traditional RV. As you step into the cabin, you are welcomed by a space that feels like a luxury home interior. Soft ambient lighting glows from behind crown moldings, and the tile floors are heated for year-round comfort. Solid wood cabinetry made from cherry or maple wraps the interior with warmth and richness. The living room is furnished with plush power recliners, a convertible sleeper sofa, and a fireplace surrounded by tile and marble finishes. Above, a large LED smart TV is mounted on a televator, retracting when not in use to give an uninterrupted view through the expansive windows. These windows are dual-pane and tinted for privacy, and they fill the room with natural light while keeping the interior cool. The kitchen is a full residential experience, featuring solid surface countertops, a residential-size refrigerator with a French door design, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a deep stainless steel sink with a retractable faucet. Soft close drawers and hidden pantry space add a premium touch to the functionality. Under-cabinet lighting and tile backsplash complete the look with a modern flair. A freestanding dinette with upholstered chairs offers a cozy yet elegant dining setting that can also double as a workstation. Towards the rear, the master bedroom is designed for true relaxation. A king-sized memory foam mattress sits atop a powered bed lift system, allowing for adjustable angles. The bed is flanked by bedside storage, USB charging ports, and overhead cabinets. Opposite the bed, another LED smart TV sits above a built-in dresser. There is even a separate climate zone for the bedroom to maintain the perfect sleeping temperature. A sliding pocket door separates the master suite from the rest of the coach, adding privacy and noise reduction. The bathroom is more luxurious than most homes, offering a full glass enclosed shower with skylight, a solid surface vanity with dual sinks, and a porcelain macerator toilet. Premium fixtures, linen closets, and soft-touch wall coverings complete the spa-like experience. Some models even offer a separate half bath for guests, located midship for convenience. The cockpit of the 2026 Tiffin Motorhome is a masterpiece of technology and comfort. Leather captain's chairs with multiple power adjustments and memory settings face a digital dash with a high-resolution display. Driver assist features include lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation systems, and a 360-degree camera system. The navigation system is RV-specific, providing route guidance that considers the vehicle's height, weight, and length. The co-pilot area includes a workstation with USB and power outlets, perfect for trip planning or working on the go. On the road, the 2026 Tiffin delivers smooth and confident performance thanks to its robust diesel or gas chassis options. Air ride suspension, automatic leveling systems, and advanced noise insulation create a quiet, smooth driving experience that is unmatched in its class. The powertrain options are designed for long-distance comfort and durability, offering strong torque for mountain roads and heavy loads. Smart technology runs throughout the vehicle, from app-controlled lighting and climate systems to voice-activated entertainment and diagnostics. Solar panel options, large battery banks, and inverter systems provide ample off-grid power, while built-in Wi-Fi and satellite TV ensure connectivity and entertainment wherever you go. Exterior features include massive basement storage compartments with slide-out trays, outdoor entertainment centers with weatherproof TVs and speakers, and even an exterior kitchen option with sink, fridge, and grill. Awnings with wind sensors automatically retract when high winds are detected, and LED lighting creates a welcoming glow around the entire perimeter in the evening hours. Every detail of the 2026 Tiffin Motorhomes is crafted with purpose, from the precision-welded steel structure to the soft leather touchpoints on every seat. These motorhomes aren't just vehicles, they're fully mobile luxury residences designed for people who demand the best in design, comfort, and travel freedom. With decades of heritage, innovation, and customer focus behind every model, the 2026 Tiffin Motorhomes continued to redefine what it means to explore the open road in absolute style and comfort.